everybody. Lights, camera, action. But before that, mic check, background check, and most importantly, smile check. So, are you ready for your first video? Well, I'm not sure कि आप अभी ready है या नहीं, but I'm super sure कि इस video के end तक you will be definitely ready for your very first video. Because इस video में I'm going to share with you all 5 most important tips that you definitely should know before shooting your first video. But if you've already made your very first video, तो let me know in the comment section कि how was your first meeting with Mr. Camera. First and most importantly, smile and set some good positive vibes. Because I don't think so you would be interested in watching some grumpy host, right? So please don't be one. Unless आप कोई दुखद समाचार बता रहे हो या फिर कोई murder mystery solve कर रहे हो. Otherwise, you are not allowed to shoot without a smile. It helps you set a better connection and establish more trust. Obviously, it sets a good mood and positive vibes, and a pleasant smile will make you more professional and confident. And not to mention, it will make you look more prettier. Second tip, look into the camera and exactly into the camera. Imagine करो कि आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो and they are looking here and there. How do you feel? Disconnected, right? Exactly. अब imagine करो thousands of people are watching your video and they find कि आप कहीं और ही देखकर video deliver कर रहे हो. So that is not allowed at all. So look exactly into the camera, or shall I say their eyes. Please plan your script beforehand. I've seen a lot of people who just hit the record button and start impromptu, and they keep on recording and the video is like unnecessarily long and longer. You don't have to do that. What you can do instead is point out the outline of your script, or the best is a detailed script. And in fact, by my personal experience, अगर आप अपने topic को और script को थोड़ा time देते हो, तो it definitely shapes in a better way. So make out an outline or a script, research your topic properly, अच्छे से एक script बनाइए, then go through it. क्या ज़्यादा है, क्या कम है, कहाँ थोड़ा और मसाला you can add, कहाँ you can just cut out the slack and just have a final draft ready with you. So for script writing, a few of the free tools I use are Writer's Duet, or you can also use Trellby. And if you're ready to pay for it, then definitely go for final draft. Good, now I got a script, but how to learn it all, right? Don't worry, you don't have to learn it all. What you can do instead is you can divide it into smaller parts or fragments and rehearse it well with all the expressions, pauses and gestures. You can shoot one part at a time. Pause in a neutral position, quickly peep into your script and get back into that neutral position and then start back. Look, did you even realize I went back and checked my script? But if you have got a very long and complex script, then you can choose to go with a teleprompter. Now, and if you're shooting from home, then don't worry. I've got you some teleprompter apps which are free of cost. You can use Prompter, Simple Teleprompter or Orator. Fifth tip, don't rush. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Maintain a slow, calm pace and give your audience some time to observe. अगर आप भागोगे, तो वो भी भाग जाएंगे. So maintain a calm pace. Are you ready yet? I hope you are. But अगर आपके पास और भी कोई doubts हैं, जैसे कि मैं home studio setup कर रहा हूँ, what are the tools I need, मुझे light setting कैसे करनी है, background कैसे set करना है, what should I wear, what are the editing tools should I use, and a lot of questions. Don't worry, all you have to do is stay tuned to Content Kanya. And yes, I know you want a छोटी सी checklist so that you know कि क्या क्या सामान आपके पास होना चाहिए और क्या क्या checklist होनी चाहिए. What are the things to take off before you shoot your first video? So yes, it's there in the comment section waiting for you to be ticked off. So keep watching Content Kanya for some amazing content, and don't forget to hit a like, share and subscribe.